The world of technology is constantly evolving, and one innovation that has taken center stage is blockchain. In simple terms, a blockchain is a digital record-keeping system. Imagine a digital ledger that is duplicated and distributed across a network of computers. This ledger securely records information and transactions in a way that is transparent and tamper-proof. This revolutionary technology has the potential to transform various industries, from finance to supply chain management. At its core, a blockchain is a decentralized and distributed system. This means that no single entity controls it. Instead, it operates on a network of computers known as nodes that work together to validate and record transactions. This decentralized nature makes blockchain incredibly secure and resistant to fraud. To truly grasp the essence of blockchain, it's crucial to understand the fundamental building blocks and chains. Each block serves as a container for a specific set of transactions. Think of it as a page in a digital ledger. When a transaction occurs, it's bundled with other recent transactions into a block. These blocks are not isolated entities, they are interlinked in a chronological sequence, forming the blockchain. This chain-like structure is what gives blockchain its immutability and transparency. Each block is connected to the one before it and the one after it, creating an unbreakable chain of records. The connection between blocks is established using cryptographic hashes. A hash is like a unique digital fingerprint for each block. It's created by running the block's data through a special algorithm. Any change to the block's data, even a single character, would result in a completely different hash. This makes it virtually impossible to tamper with the information stored in a block without being detected. To add a new block to the chain, a process called mining takes place. Mining involves solving complex mathematical problems. The first miner to solve the problem gets to add the next block to the chain and is rewarded with cryptocurrency. This process ensures the security and integrity of the blockchain. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of blockchain technology is its decentralized nature. Unlike traditional databases, which are controlled by a central authority, blockchains are distributed across a vast network of computers known as nodes. Each node in the network has a copy of the blockchain. When a new block is added to the chain, it's broadcast to all the nodes. This distributed architecture makes blockchain incredibly resilient. Even if one node fails, the network continues to operate without interruption. Decentralization also eliminates the need for intermediaries, such as banks or governments, to facilitate transactions. This peer-to-peer system empowers individuals and reduces the potential for censorship or manipulation of data. The absence of a single point of control makes blockchain highly resistant to attacks. To compromise a blockchain, an attacker would need to control a majority of the nodes in the network. This distributed security model is one of the key reasons why blockchain is considered to be highly secure. Section 4. Consensus mechanisms securing the network. In a decentralized system like blockchain, where multiple nodes participate in maintaining the network, a mechanism is needed to ensure that all nodes agree on a single version of the truth. This is where consensus mechanisms come into play. Consensus mechanisms are sets of rules that determine how new blocks are added to the blockchain and how the network reaches agreement on the validity of transactions. One of the most widely known consensus mechanisms is proof of work, or POW. Proof of work, as its name suggests, requires miners to perform computational work to solve complex mathematical problems. The first miner to solve the problem gets to add the next block to the chain and is rewarded with cryptocurrency. This process is computationally intensive and requires significant energy consumption. Another popular consensus mechanism is proof of stake, or POS. In a POS system, instead of miners competing to solve problems, validators are chosen to add blocks based on the number of coins they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. This mechanism is seen as more energy efficient than POW. Consensus mechanisms are crucial for maintaining the security and integrity of the blockchain. They ensure that all transactions are valid, prevent double spending, and protect the network from malicious actors. Section 5. blockchain applications beyond cryptocurrencies. While blockchain technology gained initial recognition as the foundation of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, its potential applications extend far beyond the realm of digital currencies. Blockchain's ability to securely and transparently record and verify transactions has opened up a world of possibilities across various industries. One prominent application is in supply chain management. By tracking the movement of goods from origin to destination, blockchain can enhance transparency, accountability, and efficiency in supply chains. This can help reduce fraud, counterfeit products, and delays. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts that are stored on the blockchain. These contracts automatically enforce the terms of an agreement when predefined conditions are met. This can streamline business processes, reduce the need for intermediaries, and minimize the risk of disputes. Healthcare is another industry that can benefit from blockchain. By creating secure and tamper-proof records of patient data, blockchain can improve data privacy, interoperability, and the efficiency of healthcare systems. Section 6. Advantages and challenges of blockchain technology. Blockchain technology offers a compelling set of advantages that have the potential to revolutionize various industries. Its decentralized nature promotes transparency, security, and immutability, making it an attractive solution for a wide range of applications. One of the key advantages is its transparency. Since all transactions are recorded on a public and distributed ledger, anyone can view the history of transactions. This fosters trust and accountability. Another significant advantage is its security. The use of cryptographic hashes and consensus mechanisms makes it extremely difficult to alter or tamper with data stored on the blockchain. This immutability ensures the integrity of records. Decentralization, as discussed earlier, eliminates the need for intermediaries and reduces the risk of single points of failure. This makes blockchain systems more resilient and resistant to censorship. However, blockchain technology also faces certain challenges. Scalability is a major concern. As the number of transactions on a blockchain network grows, the speed and efficiency of processing transactions can be impacted. Energy consumption is another challenge, particularly for blockchains that use proof-of-work consensus mechanisms. The computational power required for mining can result in significant energy usage. Regulatory uncertainty is also a hurdle. As blockchain technology is relatively new, clear regulatory frameworks are still evolving. This can create uncertainty for businesses and investors. Conclusion. Summarize how blockchain technology is transforming industries with its secure, transparent, and decentralized approach. Blockchain technology, with its decentralized, secure, and transparent nature, has emerged as a transformative force across industries. Its ability to create tamper-proof records, streamline processes, and enhance trust has led to innovative applications in finance, supply chain, healthcare, and beyond. While challenges such as scalability, energy consumption, and regulatory uncertainty remain, the potential of blockchain to revolutionize the way we interact and do business is undeniable. As the technology continues to evolve and mature, we can expect even more groundbreaking applications to emerge, shaping the future of various sectors.